On the Iconic Connect the News show this week, the new King Charlie will be pushing the green agenda of his mates at the World Economic Forum. Nothing new there then. Then there's, what does the word monarch really mean? It's interesting. And the demands for the UFO file of Prince Philip to be made public. Well, at least he'd be an expert on aliens. That's the Connect the News show on Ickonic every Saturday from 10 a.m. UK, and you can have a free trial with Ickonic anytime you want. And another story, meet the Great Reset King, Charlie III. For decades, the story says, attempts have been made to use climate change to justify radical policy changes. But the Great Reset is the most ambitious and radical plan the world has seen in more than a generation, well, and then some. In June 2020, the World Economic Forum and then Prince Charles launched the Great Reset. Yeah, people forget that. He actually was one of the launchers, in fact, one of the prime launchers of it. Now he's king. Anyway, in an article announcing its launch, Klaus Schwab, for it is he, wrote that all aspects of our societies and economies must be revamped, from education to social contracts and working conditions. Every country, quote, from the United States to China must participate, and every industry from oil and gas to tech must be transformed. In short, we need a great reset of capitalism. Okay, Klaus, old son, who the bloody hell are you to tell the rest of the world what's going to change in their lives? Who the bloody hell are you? This is the madness we've descended into. Disturbing trans high school shop teachers' ginormous prosthetic breasts spark backlash. Well, if she moves too quickly, they'll spark a backlash. This is the sort of thing you have to go, no, I'm dreaming. I'm going to wake up in a minute. Oh, thank God it was a dream. But no, it's real. A male Canadian high school wood shop teacher, reportedly going by the name of Kayla Lemieux, is making headlines for wearing massive pathetic breasts, I think we call it, while teaching children. And that's where the funny part ends. Teaching children. So photos and videos of the teacher went viral online this week, and the news outlet Redux was able to contact Oakville Trafalgar High School administrators. They were in an asylum at the time, but they got access to the cell. The white coats let them, to verify the individual works on the campus. And the teacher is seen on several different occasions wearing tight skirts. This is a bloke who's calling himself a woman, with the nipples protruding through, short shorts, and a blonde wig. It is not a pretty sight, as you can see. According to Redux, quote, the man seen in the photos and videos is a manufacturing technology instructor who allegedly began identifying as a woman last year. A student posting to Twitter allegedly wrote, the kids here most definitely don't think it's normal. Well, have a look. But realistically, we can't say anything. Ooh, I wish I was one of them kids. I'd love it. Last year, the teacher was a man. I don't think the school can fire him. Horrifying sights like this are why more parents in America and Canada are homeschooling their children or sending them to private schools.